just going to show you how to use a swing plane perfector. 4 spikes, 4 lawn spikes. If you wasn't using it on an indoor range, then the swing plane perfector pushes into the ground just like this. The ground plane stick slide in, and the swing plane, the angled stick, will slide in like such. The swing plane perfector is adjustable in degree increments to allow a consistency of setup unavailable before now.
Our target today is the tree, the big oak tree in the distance. We set a plane line down, a base line down for our target line, and then the difficulty for most people is to set an inclined tour stick at the correct angle for their club. The first time that you do this, you need to get your coach, or your coach needs to do it for you, or a friend, to stand directly behind, hands at hand height, at butt of club height, to set yourself directly behind. So you want to see one stick, you do not want to see 2 under or over the plane line. You want to be able to see one stick and know for certain that it's exactly the same as it was yesterday and exactly the same as it was the day before. So the consistency of my practice starts to take on a different dimension. Okay, hopefully, once you've started to feel comfortable setting up with the sticks close to you, you could actually try to hit a golf ball.
There are a host of other uses useful in training for the swing plane perfector apart from its primary use, and I'll go through a couple of them now. One is to use a stick to aid in hip movement. Perfector can be used in this fashion, to have a stick running across your cheek to train out unwanted head movement. Perfector can also be used in this way to analyse symmetry of swing when using a video camera. The swing plane perfector can be used just as well in a studio with flat floor or in an indoor driving range on a mat. You would remove the lawn spikes, then the perfector slips easily under any height of mat. The angled plane stick goes in like so. The ground plane stick goes in on an adjustment here, which goes in for any height of mat. So we just line it like so. To use the perfector on a flat surface, as in a studio or an office or a kitchen, you would insert a third stick through the perfector like so, and it can be used on any flat surface.